Hi guys, and today I'm gonna be unboxing a Ridley amiibo. It's in this package, which is the brown thing that is cutting off my neck. Anyway, it's okay though. I don't need that. It doesn't matter. Anyways, let's open this. Can you get me some scissors? Then we'll unbox it. This might be for super special, or it's just for like something from Metroid. Crap, I mean. Yeah, this is definitely new. Look at this. Look at this. A Ridley amiibo. Let's open it, because this is what that channel's all about. Playlist, I mean. It's been 1 minute since opening this. Yay! Oof. A demo! Still not open. Great. My mom's helping me open some of these. Thank you. Okay. This. Are you moving it? No. Hold on a second, guys. Technical difficulties for a second. Okay. Look at this, guys. This is extremely new. Get this out. Just bend it back. Look at it. Look at how beautiful this amiibo is. What's this? Oh, it's a silver thing. Yep, that's all in it. Okay, well that's it. Now just stop this.